again, and welcome back to Pastor Kim's Corner. Yes, it's me, Pastor Kim, and today I'm baking cheese chips, okay? If you watch my video from yesterday, I fried them with a little bit of olive oil spray, and so I wanted to try them today and make them just a tiny bit smaller and see what happens when I bake them on parchment paper. So let's check it out. These are keto friendly, low cal, and I think you're going to be surprised. Okay guys, so I left these in the oven on 425 for about 3 to 4 minutes. I kept watching them because I wanted them to cook a little bit longer than the fried ones, but I absolutely did not want to burn them. Also, if you saw on the part that I sped up, I added a little onion powder, a little pepper, definitely no salt. But they came out really, really good. They're greasy, and I forgot to put the paper towel on them. But let me tell you, this is definitely a winner. I absolutely love these. This is a great snack, a great snack. It's you can use it instead of chips. It's quick to prepare. You can pop it in the oven. You can add different types of seasoning, garlic, pepper flakes. I mean, I'm definitely going to be making these as an alternative to potato chips. They were so good. Winner, chicken dinner. I'm just really pleased. I feel like I've made a breakthrough with my first keto snack recipe. All right, you guys, have a blessed day.